The world of IT is constantly evolving, and mastering the latest technologies can set you apart in an increasingly digital world. From artificial intelligence to cybersecurity, our IT courses give you the tools to excel in these high-demand fields. Build your technical expertise and confidence with our expert-led programs designed to prepare you for the future of technology. At Learn, we offer these industry-recognized online qualifications designed to give you the skills and confidence to succeed. Our self-paced online courses provide the flexibility to study at your own pace, with 24/7 access to materials and tutor support whenever you need it. Plus, our courses are internationally accredited, so you'll earn credentials that employers value worldwide. Whether you're upskilling, changing careers, or stepping into a new industry, Learn is here to support your journey every step of the way. Ready to make a difference? Visit learncourse.com.au and take the first step in the world of IT.